Renovations can turn any space into your dream home or an entirely new environment. But once the final nail is hammered and the workers head out, you're left with one last challenge: cleaning up the mess. Post-construction cleaning isn't just a finishing touch. It's the final step in the transformation, the one that takes your project from almost done to completely ready. Whether you're a homeowner excited to move in or a contractor preparing to hand over the keys, this guide will help you make that final step smooth, thorough, and stress-free. Let's walk through the ultimate post-renovation cleaning checklist and some expert tips to make the process easier. First, clear the clutter. Remove all construction debris, from leftover timber and drywall to nails, packaging, and discarded materials. Be sure to recycle what you can and follow local waste disposal guidelines. Getting rid of this bulk first creates space and makes every other step easier. Next, dust from top to bottom. Construction dust doesn't just land on surfaces. It clings to ceilings, fans, vents, corners, and every hidden spot. Start at the ceiling and work your way down. Wipe down walls, windowsills, skirting boards, shelves, and the tops of door frames. Don't forget inside closets and behind doors. Dust gets everywhere. Now turn your attention to windows and glass. Clean windows thoroughly, including the frames and tracks, which often hold a surprising amount of debris. Wipe mirrors and any glass panels until they're crystal clear. Then it's time to tackle the floors. Use a powerful vacuum with a HEPA filter to remove fine dust and tiny debris that regular vacuums can miss. For hard floors, mop with care to lift that fine film of dust left by sanding or plastering. And for carpets, consider a deep steam clean to truly refresh the space. Once the surfaces are clear, wipe down every countertop, cupboard, and appliance, inside and out. Pay extra attention to kitchens and bathrooms, where fine dust and particles can linger longer. Now, don't forget the air. Construction dust doesn't just settle, it circulates. Clean air vents where possible, and change air filters to keep your space fresh, safe, and breathable. Sanitizing the bathrooms comes next. Scrub sinks, showers, tiles, grout and toilets. Construction work can leave behind grime in even the cleanest looking corners. A good sanitize will ensure your bathroom is both spotless and hygienic. Finally, add the finishing touches. Look for dried paint splatters, adhesive residue, or marks on floors and glass. Polish all hardware, knobs, handles, taps, and remove all rubbish and bin contents. Ventilate the space to clear out lingering smells and let the fresh air in. If all of this sounds like a lot, it is. That's why timing matters. Don't rush in too early. Let dust settle for a day or two before starting your deep clean. Use the right tools: microfiber cloths, HEPA vacuums, gentle cleaning solutions. And always protect yourself with gloves and a mask when handling dust or chemicals. And most importantly, know when to call the professionals. A post-renovation cleaning company has the tools, training, and time to handle it all, quickly and thoroughly, from high ceilings to hidden vents, from sticky residues to stubborn dust. They're trained to leave nothing behind but a sparkling finish. Cleaning up after a renovation isn't just about tidiness. It's about safety, health, and peace of mind. A fresh, fully cleaned space lets you move in or hand over the keys with confidence. So don't let mess steal the spotlight from your beautiful renovation. Get it professionally cleaned and enjoy the results exactly as they were meant to be.